Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ksusha. Happy birthday to you.
Triple beans, don't triple beans, don't triple beans. We just gotta keep it real, homie.
Wait, is Ksusha a teenager now today?
13, yeah. No, I don't know.
Are you 13? Are you 13 today?
Yay!
Yeah, you're a teenager today. No wonder you're so moody today.
Triple bean dreams, now Pat Riley, my neighbor.
Day to you. Oh, Ksusha, I just have a picture. Hey, it's cake. Can you have a cake, please, back? Ksusha, I just want to have a picture.
So my friends, hello and welcome to the birthday special episode of Triple B, where we have presents, rides and accidents.
Oops.
Daniel's son was not the only one to be stung by a birthday gift.
Короче, ребятки, только что этот дрон пытались схватить, и он сюда как и пиздошел. Классные, да, подарочки у вас? Oh my god, dudes, we just had a drone attack and I got messed up by this drone.
Yeah, you can wear the
Man, that is cool. We're gonna have some cool bits. Don't go there, don't go there, go really high up.
Really?
Let's have a look.
Molly's connected. To go too high.
I think he'll show you when it loses connection. It should do.
Okay, be careful not to knock on the bird. Man, look at that. Man, look at that.
Wow, that is cool. Man, that is the best thing ever.
I want to fly the drone.
No.
Even though the drone has cut my lip, Dukey Duke came back with his new whip.
Oh my god, Dukey Duke. You never fail to fucking amaze me. What the fuck is that? That's some good shit, bro. Nice, man. It's a newer shape as well.
Huh?
Nice one, my G.
Look. Oh, fuck.
Oh! Nice.
And the mileage is even lower than my Audi.
Yeah, 119. Smells nice in
well,
here.
no, not 119, 118 when I got it, but...
Smells nice in here, looks nice in here. No, I fucking want one of these now. Damn, it's got...
No, I put that in there.
You put that in?
Yeah, I put that in. But it's not in that properly.
Double din, bad boy.
Yeah, I need to get a cage.
Mate, look at that fucking gear stick. You put a gear
Yeah, I
stick.
put that in there as well.
God damn.
I had it for ages. I just never put it in the back car.
Man, this is nice.
I would have good at this show as well.
Has it got soft top or not?
Nah.
Are you gonna wrap it? Huh? Or are you just gonna spray it? Get his bro to spray it for you. Or you can spray it, get a can and spray it. It's only that wing, isn't it? Mate, put it here in case someone comes.
Yeah, look how clean this is.
Damn! What engine is it? 2.5? Is it 1.6?
Yeah, bro.
Why is it so big?
It's an MX-5.
God damn! You know what? This engine
You can
is.
put a 1.8 in there. You can put anything
You can put
in
you can put two. You can put that engine in there,
Right.
which was in a Celica, that 2 liter.
there. Oh, yeah. You
Yeah,
could've put that in there,
because that's the same size.
Yeah.
You wish, prof, you wish.
Only difference is the engine is transferred that way.
Yeah.
So this is rear wheel drive.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
look at front wheel drive. So
Yeah.
It's better for me
That's
to
good,
get.
mate.
So I couldn't even get.
Is this new as well?
What in here? I've not touched anything.
Nice.
This is literally how I got it. I ain't done nothing.
Decent.
Engine wise, I've not done anything apart from check the oil and all that shit.
Yeah.
That's about it. But I'm fuck with it.
Well done, brother G.
But I'm fuck with it. Oh yes. But I'm fuck with it.
Well done, brother G. The fuck should be here?
Well, that's meant to be the, don't know.
Oh yeah, for the airbox.
Probably for the old airbox. Right?
Yeah. This is decent, clean.
Yeah.
Mate, we're just sorting out the headlights. You wanna do it?
Talking about the headlights, I can't cheat out at night time.
Yeah.
It's very misty, but it's inside. Not outside, it's on the inside.
You think? Yeah, goddamn. You think?
Yeah, it's on the inside, yeah. No, it's on the inside. I cleaned it already. It's on the inside, it's got like fog inside.
Oh.
So I might need to get a blower or something to sort it out or something.
Damn, Duke, this is one blind motherfucker. It's got glaucoma or some shit.
Decent.
All the inside I've done. Stereo and the...
Congratulations, you are now an MX-5 owner. Have you ever had an MX-5 before?
Never.
What does it feel like?
Fun. Getting excited with. Oh yes. Fun. Getting excited with. Oh yes. Fun. Getting excited with. Oh yes.
Have you tried it sideways yet?
Yeah, I already done it.
Really?
24 hours already.
Have you fucked up?
No.
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 That's good.
Yeah, anyway.
That's good, Dukey Duke. Check this out. Remember how fucked up the headlights were? Remember how everything fucked up was? Now... Which Weaver?
That one.
Oh, his fan is not working. He thought I had one, but he didn't realize that mine was E36. His is the E46, different engine. But for some reason, I thought that one would fit.
Oh,
Even
so
though
you're
it's the
taking that
same
one out?
engine, still doesn't fit.
So he need an E46.
Yeah, which is strange because that's exactly the same engine.
Yeah. But I did E39 though.
Yeah, but look at that,
Oh,
mate.
I see the same engine.
Oh, mate, my keys are in there. But anyway, yeah, our office looks much better now.
Equipment clean and everything.
Yeah, the windows going up and down. This door lock wasn't closing. Now Tom spent about 2 hours fixing that. It was the biggest mission. Basically, there was a pin in there that got rusty, and that's why it wasn't moving. So you had to drill it inside because they made it so you can't take it out. He drilled it inside. But anyway.
And my dear puppets, if you want to check out our new series Wheeling Dealing, you can see how to have some fun and make some dough at the same time.
Doing the polish and the clean. Oh look, 1.6.
Yeah. Hey, Daddy!
Oh no. Yeah, that's 1.6, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same engine as what I've got. You see what I mean? But I know what you mean. Look at the charger down.
We'll have a race, mate. I'll take you on. We'll have a race, mate. I'll take you on.
You take me out.
Do you want to have a look at Duke's new car? Come on, Danny.
I think he's short. You have a I don't know.
Yeah, that's cool. That's Tom's. Do you like it?
What bike is it?
That's like looks like a Man in Black bike that Will Smith used to have.
Look very tiny as well.
Yeah, very tidy.
Kind of like it.
Yeah. Oh, good bunda there. Yeah. I've been unloading all these slabs as well. Richard gave me all these slabs.
Oh yeah, let's go. Why?
Yeah, I'll bring your hammer. Yeah, you sure? Come on, have a look at Duke's car. Yeah, if you need any tools, boys, give me a shout. I probably won't have them.
Have you got what do you call it? Philip screwdriver.
Yes, of course.
I'll show you what they're like for the roof off. You need to give me a handle.
Is that the car?
No, it's a fucking spaceship.
It looks like a convertible. Is it a convertible?
It is a convertible, so we're gonna show how it
How is
converts.
that plastic?
Yeah, hold.
Do you have to take the whole roof off?
Yeah.
And put it somewhere.
Oh, man, that is dodgy. That is quite cool, actually.
What?
I like the colour.
This.
It's a nice colour.
Yeah,
Yeah.
except the wing, it's a shame. But you could get this colour and do a I reckon spray job on it.
I'm painting another colour anyway.
Really?
The only colour.
I think it's decent. Gold.
That being
Black man with a gold car.
The primer. That primer there, you can find out in a minute. That primer on the drive,
Yeah.
it's been refurbished. It's been trying to sort out the rust.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Nice and tidy inside.
owned by a girl, by the way. It's the girl owner.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Female owner.
The steering wheel. Decent.
That's the
Yeah, the only reason why
gearbox.
this is on there, this bit, is just the...
Wait, is the bubble thing the gearbox?
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Come away.
Yeah. Right.
Mhm.
Look down. No. Look down here. You see? Open the flap. Open the sun visor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the flap here.
Or this.
Ah.
Push that
Oh yeah,
button.
yeah.
There you go.
Nice. Do you see that, Dave?
Yeah.
Right, hold on. No, not done yet. There's another one here. There's another one here.
Mhm.
On
Oh
your
yeah.
side.
Look.
Same thing.
You press the button.
Yeah.
Mm.
Same
Ooh.
thing. Now, ready? You see that pin?
Yeah.
And then you push to the side, like,
Oh yeah. Hold on. Don't turn that on.
there you go. I got my bit. Have you got your bit?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I see that. Man, you're like literally sitting on the floor.
Yeah, you can adjust the steering.
Oh, it's like a toy, man.
I know, it's a bit awkward when you don't get used to it.
Look what it says here. OFUCK. That's a bit rude, isn't it? Man, this is well comfortable.
Yeah, I've seen another plate.
Is that
Got
the
the
gearbox, the
cane.
bubble thing?
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
Duke put it on. That is cool, dudes. Mate, I actually like it. You know, it's like really. I bet it's really comfortable to drive, isn't
Oh,
it?
it is. I just bring the bottom and back. You want to charge that around there?
Yeah. Film me go, man. Film me go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Nanny can bring a bike.
Have you got really long legs or something?
Huh?
You got longer legs than me?
No, he's just got 3 legs and the third one is very long.
What? Oh, the handle is
I
underneath.
think you got longer legs than me. How's that possible?
It's how I drive this. Could I adjust it sometimes?
I like where the Where's your bus, Matt?
Oh, they're great!
And yes, do not try drifting if you are complete pussy, or it may end up dangerously bad.
There's gonna be some decent footage.
Holy shit.
What a complete pussy, blood.
Wait, that is quick.
It's fit for a 1.6, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's like really tight as well, isn't it? It's not
Yeah. I'll tell you when to stop for the roof.
Make sure I don't go into that.
I'm behind it.
Yeah, nice. It's really easy to drive. Perfect for go.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Stop, stop. There we go.
Nice. What did you make?
So what do you think?
Very, very nice, guys. A much better drive than E36, the one I had. Much better.
Oh, it's actually, you actually think it's actually better?
Yeah.
Really?
The drive is definitely much much tighter, much you feel like you're much more in control. Well, maybe because E36 was all messed up and stuff.
Plus, E36 is a bit longer compared to this.
Yeah, and it's like really compact. I understand now why people like small cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
But I'm not going to lie, doing about...
You should have it for your... Yeah. Duke, you should make this one purple.
I can maybe go charge it, but we're going to do it right now. Not right yet.
Are you going camping or something?
No, I'm not going to come. I picked that up. I got picked that up from Brighton for the Virgin off David. Yeah, she mentioned me. That's why she was in Brighton.
Cool.
So, yeah.
Oh, that's good, man.
I will go JB. Well, I'm going to go meet that guy soon to go and give him. I'm going with him there. Yeah, you know the best thing about this? To open the boot and to open the petrol cap. And guess what? Because the petrol cap is over there.
Yeah.
I don't have to always be on that shelf for petrol. Earlier, I was at the petrol station. I pulled the whole lever and I was just literally standing right here and I just sort of. Just put it over and just...
Yeah.
I didn't have to do that. But yeah,
very nice.
Yeah? And guess what? Because the petrol cap is over there, I don't have to always be on that shelf for petrol. Earlier, I was at the petrol station. I pulled the whole lever and I was just literally standing right here and I just sort of... Just put it over and just...
Yeah.
I didn't have to do that. But yeah,
very nice.
Yeah? I didn't have to do that. But yeah,
Very nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, how do you...
Ooh, very fly.
What? Where?
In there.
Basically, you wouldn't have seen that. If I just did that, you wouldn't know how to do it.
No.
You just open it and there. And I have to petrol it.
That is sneaky, mate. Yeah?
Obviously, ignore my mention here because I...
500 quid Duke paid for this.
Really?
The boot space is actually okay. I'll just cramped it in with stuff at the moment. So I've got stuff that I'm trying to get rid of.
It's not too bad boot actually for...
Well, as you can see, I've got a little stuff.
They're smaller.
Oh!
I'm taking everything out and then you'll see how big it really is.
You could probably fit in there.
Yeah, I can fit in there.
Yeah, you can still fit anyone in there. But apart from you.
Very nice and spacious boot.
Yeah. You know what this is for?
Curtain.
No.
Oh, it's the curtain.
Ah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
No, I don't have that
Yeah,
one.
for it. Is it for it?
But is it supposed to have a soft top?
Yeah, I haven't got a soft top because the previous owner removed it.
Idiot.
Well, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining because the hard top is actually worth more than a
Yeah, it's much better.
So, yeah. But I done it, yeah, so this is meant to go like here like that. And I'm meant to go in there. Like that. And then this goes into there. Like that.
Look, seats are in perfect condition. This is how Japanese used to build cars back in the day.
Yeah.
It's amazing, man.
Funny enough, yeah, I'm going back to
Black
this one.
one.
The black one you want?
I'm painting the top anyway.
Are you?
Oh yes.
The only thing is, Duke, I must say I can't see anything out of this. You should make this smaller. Seriously, you can't. It's coming up to here, to my eyes.
Don't blame me, Charlie. I can't see.
How's that how it would look? Like that. But I guess it's not going in there properly because I haven't got a roof in there.
Oh, that is fly. That is nice, mate.
You tuck it in here. When the roof is in there, you sort of tuck it in there.
Am I going to be able to see where I'm going if I'm going to drive in a couple of years?
You're only gonna drive in many years' time, so forget about it.
Because I'm going to be taller.
At the moment, stick to your bicycle. Oh, that's our friends. Yeah, Tom just helping him to fix his radiator's not working. Oh, Mikey!
My sister really wants to try and drive Dave's car.
Me don't think so.
Well, no, because we have to sell it, and if we crash it, we're not gonna get any money for it.
I'll be back.
Beamer, Benz, a Bentley. Beamer, Benz, a Bentley. Beamer, Benz, a Bentley. A Bentley.
Oh yeah, and of course, if you want to be a G, please subscribe to Triple B. Aight?
That's on me. BBB.
No, it's aight.
That's on me. Come on. Do it. Do it.
Oh yes.